Hey guys, today we are starting a new project. This project I'm not going to keep, I'm just going to fix it up and hopefully resell it. It needs a new carburetor. The chain is very stiff, as you can see, barely wants to move. Needs brakes. It has a brake caliper, but no brake pads. So it has a Tecumseh Power Sport engine. I'm not sure how many horsepower it is because it doesn't say. I'm going to hook up the kill switch. It has a little keyhole, but no key, so probably need a new switch. And the wire comes right back to here. It just needs to be connected. So we'll probably start with getting this chain oiled up, and we'll probably hook up the kill switch. The other go-kart is going to keep going. We will have a new video out for that coming soon, but we will also have videos for this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're just going to be using some of this. It's penetrating gel lubricant. If you've seen the first video, we talked about this a little bit. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely go check it out. And we're just going to be covering this chain in it. Okay, so we're just going to put some gloves on. Okay, so I just put some gloves on, latex gloves, so my hands don't get all greasy. And we're just going to try to work this chain back and forth. Try to get it loosened up. If we can't get it loosened up, I might just have to get a new chain. But we're going to try this one. So I'm going to work at this for a little bit and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, so I tried to get this chain off because I can't work with it very well in there, but I couldn't find a master link to take it apart, so we're just gonna try to use this chain breaker to get it off here, and then we'll probably use a new chain. Okay, there we go. This should just slide apart. I'll get that. But we got this little piece off. So we're just gonna remember that's there. Okay, so I got some pliers and a screwdriver if I need it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try to punch those out a little bit more with the chain breaker, and then we'll try that again, because now that we have that other part off, it can go in deeper, pushed out better. Okay, now let's try that again, I guess. Okay, that should be good. And now, there we go. Got it off. So I'm gonna try to work this a little bit, maybe try to get it loosened up again and get a master link. If I can get it nice and loose, I will use it, but if I can't, I'm just gonna get a new chain. So So let's get at it. Okay, this chain it's just too rusted solid. I can't even bend some parts. So I'm just gonna throw it away and get another one. Okay, so got this chain. So if you don't know what a master link is, right there, that one. I don't know if you can really see, but it slides off and then the chain just slides right apart. To adjust it and put it on, take that off, make it the right length, and then put it on the go-kart. How you get these off, take a screwdriver and you just want to pry right in there. Make sure you don't have your thumb behind it, because last time I did this I gnashed my thumb up. There we go. Just hit it off like this. Just take it, hit it off. There we go. There's the master link. This part just slides right off, and you do not want to lose that. And then it just slides apart just like that. This also comes out. Keep all these three parts together. There we have it. We got this chain. We're just gonna see how long we need it, and then we're gonna put it on right there. Then, since this isn't connected, as you can see, I can take that off. This little piece goes right in these holes. Next, this one goes right there. This piece is going to be a little more tricky. You can see how in the middle it's wide and it gets about the right size at the back. It kind of funnels it in. You just want that to be on the second pin. There we go. And now we got a chain on there. So I gotta move the engine to get all this slack out, but other than that, it's pretty good. Okay, so next I think we're gonna try to hook up this kill switch. Trying to think of, so if we grab it, so we're gonna run it up over here, and then there's these little prongs back in there. Can't really see it very well, but see how it's kind of like a slot, and it just slides right on there. Okay, I got it hooked up back here. I found a key that works with it, so I'm just going to use that. It works fine. So we got the chain and the kill switch, and I think that's going to have to do it for today. So I'll see you next time when we'll probably get the brakes going.